Hey, it's Angela again, and I'm here to congratulate you on coming really, really far in the course. Not everybody gets to see these videos that you are watching, and just in terms of your perseverance and the level of dedication that you have to be able to reach here is fantastic, and it really sets you apart from other people. So congratulations, you deserve a pat on the back. Now, I also want to talk about something that I've heard a lot of students say when they reach around this kind of time point, where they say like, oh, even though I've been going on and learning for so long, I've done like 100 days, 1 hour a day, and I still feel like I don't know anything or I don't know everything. And firstly, nobody knows everything. Even if you just take something as simple as like one particular technology, there's too many things to know. You only learn the things that are relevant to what it is that you're trying to achieve. Now, aside from the fundamental skills, of course. So the thing that I tend to tell students is you've actually made huge leaps in terms of where you were before. But it's just that as you keep getting, more advanced and there's more advanced topics coming up around you, your level of struggle seems to be kind of constant, right? It doesn't ever really get easier. And I can testify to that. Like, even at my level, there are still loads of things that really are mind-boggling. And I sit there thinking like, oh, I wish I was smart and I could just understand this immediately. But this is just, it's fantasy. We all have to work hard in order to get what we actually end up with, our results. So what I want you to do, whenever you feel like I've done so much work and yet I don't feel like I know everything yet, is to go to the early parts of the course. Have a look at the questions that the students who are just starting out, maybe in the first, second, third modules, see what questions they're asking and see how easy it is for you to answer those questions. Because of where you are now, those struggles that they have, and you probably had at one point as well, are so much easier for you to be able to understand. And you can see at a glance like, oh yeah, that's totally because of this or because of that. And just by, answering some of these students' questions, the people who are at an earlier stage, you'll actually feel like you've gone further and, you have achieved a lot since when you first started. So try it out, let me know how it goes, and I hope that you will keep going and that you will achieve your potential. So keep going.